Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to elevate your trading game, you've come to the right place. So in this video, we are going to be diving into the best RSI settings for the 15-minute chart. It's a crucial tool for any trader wanting to make informed decisions in a fast-paced market. Okay, so let us get started. So first off, let's quickly go over what the RSI or the relative strength index actually is. Okay, so let me add the RSI to the chart. Alright, the RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, as we can see, and it helps us to identify overbought or oversold conditions. A reading above 70 indicates an overbought condition, while a reading below 30 indicates an oversold condition. But using the default settings isn't always optimal, especially on a 15-minute chart. Okay, on a 15-minute chart, you might want to tweak the settings a bit. Okay, so what are the best RSI settings for a 15-minute chart? The standard setting is usually 14, as we can see. Let me open it. As we can see, the standard setting, I'm just going to reset this. The standard setting is 14. Okay, it's 14. You can see, right? All right, but for shorter time frames like 15 minutes, I recommend experimenting with a shorter period such as 7 or 9. So let us try 7 and see how it looks like. You can see. Remember that the smaller the value, the faster it is for the indicator to react to price changes. So we can see how the 7 value looks like, and then let's see how the 9 period looks like. So depending on how fast you want the RSI to respond to price changes, you can choose what value you want to use in this period. Okay, now this adjustment can help you to get more responsive signals, which is vital when the market is moving quickly. Okay, all right. Now when the RSI is set to shorter periods, you will notice that the price of the you will notice that the movement of the RSI responds faster. You will notice that the movement of the RSI responds faster to price changes. Okay, but you should also remember that with more responsiveness, there are risks to false signals. So when you are trying to make the RSI to respond to price changes fast because you are scalping, note that the lower the period, the easier it is for false signals to be generated. Okay, so we can just stick with this 9 period, okay, for our settings on the 15-minute chart. Okay, now that we know the best settings, let's talk about some effective strategies for using the RSI on a 15-minute chart. One popular method is to look for divergences. If the price is making new highs, but the RSI isn't following suit, it could signal a reversal. Okay, it could signal a reversal. For example, we can see that it happened around here. The price was making new highs. We can see that the RSI had lower highs. Can you see that? And just shortly afterwards, we saw what happened. We saw a dip all the way to this point. Okay, so divergence is one of the ways that traders use the RSI. So when you notice the RSI forming lower highs, while price is forming higher highs, it can show a weakened bullish momentum, okay, and a possible bearish reversal. So you might want to exit your buy trade if you find such on your chart. On the other hand, if you have price making higher lows, I'm sorry, if you have the RSI making higher lows, but you find price making um, lower lows. If you find RSI making higher lows, but price making lower lows, as we can see that happened around here, okay, that happened around here. It could signal bullish divergence. Can we see that shortly afterwards the price went up? So divergence is one of the strategies that is used with the RSI, okay. Now, when interpreting the RSI signals, always consider the broader market context. News events or significant trends can impact price action dramatically. For instance, during a strong uptrend, the RSI might hover in the overbought zone for extended periods. So be cautious and avoid relying solely on RSI for your trading decisions. It's important that you also make use of trend lines, make use of horizontal support and resistance zones. They are very important. They are very important, okay? And you can also add on other indicators just for additional confirmation, okay? Now, to wrap it up, adjusting your RSI settings to 7 or 9 for a 15-minute chart can provide you with more actionable signals. However, always combine your analysis with other indicators or market context for better results, okay? So if you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.